있나?
And now I would like to invite Dr. Zion Sung, Director General of the Department of Digital Agriculture of the Rural Development Administration of the Republic of Korea, to present on current state of smart agricultural mechanization in the Republic of Korea. Please, Dr. Zion Sung.
Thank you for introducing me. Hello everyone, I am Sung Jae-hoon. I'm currently in charge of the Department of Digital Agriculture at the Rural Development Administration of the Republic of Korea. It is my great pleasure to give you a presentation about Smart Farm of Korea. As of 2021, in Korea, the number of farm population is rapidly decreasing every year. In addition, the average age of farmer is over 68. Next, please. So, 2015, Korea has established agricultural innovation strategies based on science and technology to address agricultural issues, such as a decrease in agricultural population and aging population. Among them, the smart farm strategies consist of 3 stages. The first stage is development of modules to improve practicality. And the second stage is advancement to technologies optimized for the Korean agricultural environment. And the last stage is exporting the Korean-style smart farms. However, due to various domestic circumstances, we have not made significant progress. Nevertheless, Korea has developed the first stage of smart farm technologies and is distributing them nationwide. In addition, the Smart Farm Innovation Valley was established to increase the distribution of these smart farm technologies. The Smart Farm Innovation Valley has 3 main roles, including training young farmers, testing equipment such as sensors, and renting facilities to increase the distribution of smart farm technologies. And we are also building an advanced unmanned automation demonstration complex that tests agricultural smart machine and equipment. The data obtained in various ways are utilized by agricultural machinery. Agricultural machine works while communication with other agricultural machines, so-called connected farm. It can be seen as a Korean-style precision agricultural system. The data collected in this way is linked to the distribution process and is also linked with the agricultural production history system, I mean agricultural product traceability. There is a control center in the demonstration complex. Here, we monitor the communication between agricultural machine and other agricultural machine, and control all agricultural machinery and equipment, and store relevant information. As you know, in the era of the post-industrial revolution, the digital transformation based on data and AI determines the competitiveness of countries and companies. This competition is intensifying around the world. The Korean government is making efforts to create the digital economy by drafting various policies, such as the Korean New Deal. Vision and goal. For the sake of time, I will skip this slide. The first stage strategies of this plan consist of 3 programs. In the data collection and management program, we plan to expand data collection from laboratories to agricultural fields and strengthen quality control of the entire data cycle by standardizing research data and agricultural ICT devices. In the AI service program, we plan to support farmers' decision-making by building an AI service platform to systematically store, manage, and share data. The data control is very important. In the data open access, sharing and utilization program, we will open and share data to support agricultural technology startups, work with related agencies. The second stages of the plan consists of 5 programs. In the digital technology for improvement of food crop productivity is like this. I regret that I do not have enough time to explain each of the program in detail in this presentation. The last strategies of the plan consists of 2 programs. Again, I feel sorry that I do not have enough time to explain everything here. RD is working on digital transformation and distribution of agricultural technologies based on data and AI through the 10 key projects: smart farm, open field precision agriculture, agricultural robots, etc. 이게 그거고요. Yeah. Next, please. Yeah. RDA has built big data by automatically collecting agricultural data via satellite, robot, and developed agricultural AI, and big data models based on the collected data. This will support production, consumption, and policies in the agricultural sector, foster related industries, and lead future agriculture through AI-based service. Based on systematic establishment and implementation of the digital agriculture, RDA will support farmers by improving convenience and productivity, and incomes to ensure sustainable agriculture and rural areas. And it is expected to have a positive impact on consumers and related industries. To conclude my presentation, in light of our experience, I would like to make some recommendations for other countries to start smart farms. First of all, it is better for establishing government-level basic plan. Government should make a basic plan for each area, I mean vegetable, fruit trees, and livestock, etc. And develop the necessary technologies step by step. Moreover, government should make a pilot complex where you can test various technologies related to smart farms and farming yourself. I think it would be good to have a space for companies to come in and test equipment, educating farmers and farming themselves, and renting and farming before starting an agricultural business. There are some things that I couldn't explain because I didn't have much time. If you have any future questions, please contact me by email. I will do my best to explain it to the best of my knowledge. Thank you for listening to the end. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Jihon Sung. And now let's